Clearborough, North Dallas, in Argyle, Texas, just outside of Dallas and Flower Mound. Finishing up a Tesla Model 3 in gray, obviously, and a red one in the back's all done with a full front, and this gray one has a full front. You can see we took the T off, so it has a nice clean slate. No lines from the plotter. Fully wrapped edges all the way around. Wrapped inside here as well, and wrapped inside the headlight bay. Coming around to the mirrors. Oh, I'm sorry. The cameras were removed on this particular one. We don't do it a lot. This car still needs to get cleaned up. It's just finished. But the mirrors. On this one, what we did is we wrapped all around this edge, and then we wrapped inside this edge. So the line terminates underneath at the end of the paint line. So the entire outside in here, and then we'll do the inside here tomorrow. And then we'll come around here to the bumper. Bumper fully wrapped. Fully wrapped in all these areas. All the way around, all the way down. Nothing terminates on top. Everything gets wrapped in. This is an important area, as we spoke about before, by the fog light. And then obviously we wrap underneath the wheel well. And then the mirror again, same as the other mirror. Fully wrapped here, terminating on this side, and then we'll fill in this part here. But this one, this person wanted their mirror fully wrapped. They didn't want any lines anywhere. And there typically isn't, except for on the inside if we don't do the inside piece. However, just something different I wanted to show you with the mirror being wrapped on this inside lip. Other than that, the car got tinted. It's done in 30% all the way around. Now keep in mind we're inside, so it looks darker. But when you get it outside, you can tell. And we do the rear windows in one full sheet, 5 foot by 4 foot. So it's fully black on the outside. And when you get on the inside, you'll see the difference from the privacy glass. So there's your privacy glass up top, and it's fog line, and it looks clear on the bottom. But nevertheless, it is tinted. And on this one, we did the moonroof as well. So there's no variance in shade on the inside. So there it is, Tesla Model 3, full front, Xpel Ultimate Plus. And then over here we have another Tesla Model 3, finished up, ready to go. Again, a full front with everything. It's normal for us. We wrap all the edges. Nothing ever gets left undone. This one here's another one with the same level tint all the way around. And of course, the only way we tint that back window is in one full sheet. So, and just one thing to point out with this being in one full sheet, it goes in very clean. I've seen a lot of them where there are specks in them and flares coming off of the defroster lines. We do them just right. If they're not, we take them out and redo them until they're right. So we'll never give you anything and make up excuses about why it's a certain way. So there you go, and that's it here at Clearborough, North Dallas on Wednesday night at 9:30. What is this thing here? A Lexus RC350 F Sport. This was a quarter front. Technically, I stretched it out to almost a half. The line's right there. But they wanted a quarter front. I went ahead and increased it to a half. They were happy about that, no extra charge. But you can't even see that bra on there. Again, all the edges get wrapped and tucked. And we do everything we can to make it look like it's not there. And you can see we wrap this tip. A lot of guys aren't doing that. Wrapping the tips, wrapping all along here, wrapping everything. So wrapping all the way around this edge. So if you guys are looking for a clean install, nearly invisible, give us a call. 940-703-8301. We're in Argyle, Texas, and Carrollton, Texas is our other location. Primarily, we're in our Argyle, appointments only in Carrollton. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.